Hello, dear learners. How are you all? I hope you all must be doing very well. Welcome back to the very first session of Science Class Second, chapter number 1, that is about plants around. Students, in this session today, we will learn about the different types of plants which are surrounding us, and along with the features, we are going to discuss about them. All right. So, first of all, they have given an activity to do that look at the pictures and arrays and letters given below them to know their names. The students यहाँ पे कुछ pictures given है and उनके names हमें एक unscrambled manner में given है. You have to identify these pictures and you have to write the correct names below them. Like this, you can see what is it? This is leaf. We will write over here Leaf. Leaf. What is this part? इसे कहा जाता है trunk. Alright, the hard woody stem of the tree is known as trunk. And this is root. The underground part है plant का, that is known as root. R-O-O-T, root. And this is the most beautiful part of the plant known as flower. Alright, so we'll write over here Flower. And this is the what? Juicy and edible part of the plant known as fruit. 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 Alright? Right? So now, let us discover the world of small and big plants. अब हम क्या discuss करेंगे? The world है small and big plants का we will explore. Go for a morning walk in a park or a green area near your home. You will see a lot of plants there. They have different sizes and shapes and colors. Some plants are big, some are small. Leaves of most plants are green in color. और they say कि आपको क्या करना है, एक मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए जाना है अपने पार्क का एक ग्रीन एरिया में जो कि आपके घर के आसपास है. When you will go and visit over there, what you will notice is कि वहाँ पे आपको काफी सारे प्लांट्स होते हैं. ये सभी प्लांट्स की जो साइज, शेप एंड कलर्स है वो सभी डिफरेंट है. कुछ प्लांट्स बिग देखने को मिलेंगे, देयर आर सम स्मॉल प्लांट्स आल्सो, ठीक है. एंड ज्यादातर प्लांट्स की जो लीव्स होंगी दैट विल बी ग्रीन इन कलर, राइट. सो नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट्स. नंबर 1 वी हैव ट्रीज. व्हाट आर ट्रीज? ट्रीज आर वेरी बिग, टॉल एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग प्लांट्स. ट्रीज क्या होते हैं? काफी बिग, टॉल एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग प्लांट्स को कहा जाता है ट्रीज, जिनकी काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग, थिक and hard stem होती है, which is called trunk. Trees stand straight and live for many years. Trees जो है straight stand कर सकते हैं and several years तक survive करते हैं. Their branches grow out of the trunk high above the ground. ये branches जो है क्या करती है, trunk से grow out करती है काफी height तक, above the ground काफी height तक reach कर सकती है. Many animals, बहुत सारे ऐसे animals हैं जैसे कि squirrel, monkeys, birds, insects, which live in the tree. The koala spends most of his life. जो कोला है, it is a kind of animal. You can see, ये अपनी ज़्यादा लाइफ जो है, अपनी most of the life eucalyptus trees के ऊपर spend करता है. They have given you some examples of trees, that is mango tree, banyan tree, coconut tree, etc. These are the very big, tall and strong plants known as trees. Now the second type of tree which we have is that is shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Shrubs जो हैं trees से small होते हैं, छोटे होते हैं. They have hard and woody stem. ठीक है, shrubs की जो stem है काफी hard होती है and woody है. They have many branches. इनमें भी काफी सारी branches होती है. Branches and shrubs grow out of the stem very close to the ground. Branches जो है, shrubs की branches वो stem के through grow out करती है and they are very close to the ground also, यानी कि ground से काफी close है. This में इस वजह से जो shrubs हैं उनकी appearance एक bushy जैसी present होती है. The lifespan of shrubs का जो life span होता है वो भी काफी years का होता है, but it is less than that of trees. trees के comparison में shrubs का life span कम होता है. Still it could survive for many years. Right? Banyan tree, if we talk about banyan trees, तो banyan trees जो है वो 100 of years तक survive कर सकते हैं. They have given you some examples of shrubs, that is rose bush, this is jasmine, cotton, All these are the examples of. Next we have what? Herbs. Herbs क्या है? They're very small and weak plants. बहुत ज़्यादा small and weak plants होते हैं. They are called herbs. They have soft and green stem. Herbs की जो stem होती है काफी soft होती है, green होती है, and we केवल few months तक ही survive कर सकते हैं. Example mint, spinach, tomato, etc. Next we have climbers. Climbers cannot stand straight on their own due to weak stem. और जैसे कि climbers एक ऐसे type of plants है जो straightly सीधे stand नहीं कर सकते because इनकी जो stems होती हैं वो काफी weak होती है. They need support. Climbers को एक support की requirement होती है to stand and also to grow upwards. Right? Some climbers like peas and beans live only for a few months. कुछ ऐसे climbers हैं जो केवल कुछ months तक ही survive कर पाते हैं. For example, peas and beans. Right? Whereas वहीं कुछ ऐसे भी climbers हैं like money plant, grapevine, which can live for many years. We talk about banana plants. Banana plant is not a tree, but it is a herb. Banana जो है plant, banana plant वो tree नहीं होता है. Instead, it is a herb. Right? Pea, money plant, grapevine, all these are examples of climbers. Now the next type of plant which we have is that is creepers. Creepers, as the name suggests, are the plants which creep or grow along the ground. तो बात करेंगे creepers की तो इस नाम से ही सजेस्ट किया जा सकता है कि ये ऐसे टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट्स हैं जिनकी स्टेम बहुत ज्यादा वीक होती है. ये इवन किसी सपोर्ट के थ्रू भी ग्रो नहीं कर सकते, स्टैंड स्ट्रेट नहीं कर सकते हैं. इंस्टेड व्हाट दे डू, ये केवल ग्राउंड पे ही क्रीप करते हैं, ग्राउंड पे ही दे ग्रो और स्प्रेड अलोंग द ग्राउंड. राइट? दे हैव वेरी वीक, क्रीपर्स की काफी वीक, लॉन्ग एंड थिन स्टेम्स होती है which can neither stand erect nor support their weight. तो ना तो सीधा खड़ी हो सकती है, ठीक है, इनकी stems, ना ही इनके सपोर्ट, इनके वेट को सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड कर पाती. मोस्ट हैवी एंड लार्ज फ्रूट, जितने भी ज्यादा हैवी और जो लार्ज फ्रूट्स होते हैं वो क्रीपर्स पे ही ग्रो करते हैं. राइट? एग्जाम्पल pumpkin, certain creeper, bottle gourd, muskmelon, all these are the examples of creepers. Now they have given you an activity to do that you have to unscramble the names of the trees. कुछ trees given है, उनके names given है, but in the unscrambled manner you have to, or in the scrambled manner आपको इन्हें unscramble करके इनके correct names. So you can see over here, this is a type of tree which grow on the mountainous regions, and this is known as pine tree. P-I-N-E, pine. This is neem tree. ठीक है? N-E-E-M, neem. And this is what? This is people. P-E-E-P-A-N, people tree. Alright? So these were the what? The different types of plants. Okay. The cucumber is the fastest growing creeper. It can grow by several feet in just one night. सबसे faster rate पे grow करने वाला जो creeper है, that is cucumber. Alright? ये जो है एक नाइट में ही several feet तक grow कर सकता है. That's all for the chapter, and I hope you must have understood these different types of plants very clearly. Let's meet you very soon. Till then, keep going well, learn well, and thanks to all.